All right, welcome to another edition of Bitcoin Billionaire. So today we are talking about Bitcoin and what's going on. We're going to cover a few important things. Number one, about the update for Bitcoin and what's going on there. Probably you're wondering, is it going to go down, right? Like before we go up again. And so a lot of YouTubers have been talking about this, that Bitcoin's going to go down to 52,000. And you can see there's a big pink line here, right? So, but one of the things that I would say is that right now, right, we can see that we've been in a downtrend a little bit, and we are right here now. And the question is, where's that going to go, right? Like, I'm trying to find a pattern there as well. And this is a short-term frame. And I do think that, yeah, it could go up for sure from here, but it could go down, and that's why a lot of YouTubers are saying it's going to go down to 52,000. But I want to talk about the bullish divergence here. Hold on. I need to go back to my trading. Hold on a second. Sorry about that. Trading view. And I want to go back to the 4-hour time frame. And I'm surprised that usually there's a guy who always talks about it. But let's just look at it. Right now, we are getting a bullish divergence on the 4-hour candles. You can see it has been going down, but it's been going up here. Now, that means that even though it's going down, it's saying to you that it's probably, I can't guarantee it, but it's probably going to go to the upside in a very short time. That could be today even, right? Now, I'll give you an example. I was trying to find other example where we had bullish divergence, okay? And one of them is pretty much the same here. I don't know if you remember this. Let's just take this out for 1 minute. Boom, okay? And let's just put this line here, okay, like we're getting. And then we were getting kind of a downtrend, right, before we broke out, like this, okay? But you can see that even back when we were in the 40, the RSI was giving us, the bullish divergence. Let's put that down like this, right? Okay, let's not bring that out. Let's bring it right here. And so the RSI on the 4-hour was going up, but the price was not. You can clearly see that it's going like this, but it's not going up. But the RSI is going up. And I remember every YouTuber back when it was 40,000 was saying there was so much FUD on YouTube, I couldn't believe it. And I'll be honest, I was actually influenced by that FUD. So I did not buy until the breakout. Then I bought, but it took me a while. I usually would buy when it goes below RSI, but I didn't. And it didn't go down, it went up. Nobody was talking about this, bullish divergence. And guess what? Now it's actually happening again. Okay, it's happening again. And that's where we are now. We're back in a bullish divergence going up. Okay. And we could erase that. That's fine, because you know what? We're in a bullish divergence. So I'm not promising you it's gonna go up, but you can see it's going down. Bullish divergence going up. Is it going to go down all the way? Because it doesn't seem like a lot, but if you calculate from there, it's another 2.89%. Actually, it's more than that, I believe. Let's see. So it could go down more for sure. 53,000. I think it's more than that. Sorry, it's like all the way there to there is about almost 5% down. That's a pretty big drop. So what people are saying on YouTube is that it's going to have a wick down, go down, and then it's going to go up. I don't think so. I mean, it's possible, but I just don't see it. I'm looking at the bullish divergence. I have other reason I talked about in my video yesterday that actually probably we're going to go back up sooner than later. Now, I don't think, you can wait. The safest, if you want to play it safe, right? Just wait until it breaks this green line. Once there's a breakout, you could open a trade. That would be probably the safest way. I already opened a trade. Let me share my trades with you right now. They have been pretty much in profit most of the time, I would say. but I am waiting for the breakout. So of course, if that doesn't come, then let's just go and take a look at that. Okay. So yeah, where are my trades? Still in profit. $5,000 in profit. It's about $700,000 trade. And I have 2 opens, and I have another one's $1,000, and I'm not going to close them. In fact, I have buy orders in case that it does go down and I'm wrong. It's not going to, like the bullish divergence doesn't go right away. I have trades all the way down to 53,000. I can probably raise that a bit actually, but I have it down all the way down to 53.7, right? And I don't think it's going to be activated actually. Why open my trades right away? I like to open my trades right at the bottom, which is what I've done. So now the argument, and the biggest argument I've seen, why is it that the price is going to go down? Now, to answer that, we have to go to MT Gox settlement, right? And what they're basically saying, actually, let me go to the last part here. Why is it that the Bitcoin's going to crash more further down? I don't agree with any of this, by the way. I want to be clear on that. They're saying that there's $141,000, okay? So if you go to news, right, they're basically saying, sorry, there's 141,000 Bitcoin under custody, and it will be distributed, okay? If you click on any of those, they will show you, right, about all the news, right, that there's been a settlement for the Tokyo. I'm not sure you know about this, but many years ago, there was, some Bitcoin that was hacked and all that. Anyway, after all this time, there's a settlement. It's $9 billion being sent back. So a lot of the Bitcoin that was hacked or something like that is going to be back. So it's not a lot. It's 141,000. So people are saying, well, because of these Bitcoin's going to crash. That is not true, okay? I have been looking at this. The facts is that the settlement, they're saying they're not going to give people back the coin at the same time. So it's not like there'll be 141,000 Bitcoin settled right away, okay? So that's what they're saying. That's the whole story, that, the Bitcoin's going to be sent, it's going to crash the market. And that's just not true at all. In fact, what the truth is this, that they're going to be sending, the coin is pegged to about 7,000 per coin. They're not getting the full value. I think that's bullshit, but that's what's going on. Okay, they're not getting the $56,000 or $1,000 Bitcoin. They're getting a coin. Some people are going to get it. Some people are going to get a coin pegged to 7,000, right? And they're not going to pay it out all at the same time. In fact, they're going to start distributing the coins slowly. And some of them are not going to even get this before 2022. So why am I saying that? Because it's bullshit. That the story is, right, that the reason that people are, the crash is going to happen, price is going to go down even 50,000, some people said, is just not true. It's not going to go down. A whole story about these coins, these Bitcoin being given back to people, 141,000 Bitcoin. That's the reason it's going to crash. It's total bullshit. That's not going to happen. Okay? These 141,000 Bitcoins are going to be spread out over the next several months. And it's not even that much. If you look at how much is being traded, right? If you look at how much the Bitcoin volume per day, it's huge. It's not even that many Bitcoin, doesn't even play that big of a deal anymore. Yes, it would affect it, but like I told you, they're not going to even give back that Bitcoin right away. It's going to be over a period of the next several weeks, the next several months, right? And so I don't think we need to worry about it. I don't think it's going to be playing the role that people say, right? If you look at the volume, it's 33 billion. The settlement is about 8 billion. So if it's distributed over the next several weeks, some people are not getting it all at the same time. I don't even think it's going to affect the volume. So I don't think you need to worry about it, right? Now, up to you. I showed you my plan. I already opened my trades. I'm going all in. I think Bitcoin's going to rebound. That's why I'm making this video. Now, I can't guarantee it. Everybody needs to take the risk. I take no responsibility for the risk you take. This is not financial advice, but I'm telling you, we got a bullish divergence, There's a lot of clues that's telling me Bitcoin's going to rebound. That's all for now. And by the way, if you like the content, make sure to subscribe to the video. And by the way, if you want to trade like me, make sure that you go in the description and find out how to open a BYBIT account like I have. But please subscribe to the channel, and by God's sake, press the like button if you like this video. Because the more you press the like button and the more people subscribe to my channel, the more likely I'm going to come back and make those videos every day. For the next 30 days, I'm going to make a video every day. That's what I promised myself. So come back. Tomorrow I'm going to come back and make another video for you. Bye for now, guys.